We all know about fleas and ticks, but there's a whole host of parasites to worry about. There's tapeworm, roundworm, hookworm, heartworm. There are a lot of them. The first rule is to keep clean. Do what your mom said, according to Dr. Michael Paul, Executive Director of the Companion Animal Parasite Council.
Well, it's like my grandmother always told me, don't put that in your mouth, wash your hands, don't eat that. That's how we prevent these things. And a lot of it is sanitation, and a lot of it is common sense, and a lot of it is using monthly parasite control products that preempt the infection. Because once the infection occurs, then the animal can transmit these things to the environment. And particularly kids are at risk, you know, and people that are immunocompromised who might inadvertently swallow something, or inadvertently, you know, stick their hand in something and then touch it to their mouth. And these parasites, when they occur, thank God they're not common, okay, that they don't often cause disease. But when they do, it can be devastating.
That's right, these parasites do end up infecting humans. In fact, 1 to 3 million people are infected by their pets every year with hookworm. Now, there is something you can do about it. It's good old-fashioned hygiene. That really helps. Here's another thing that helps. Talk to your veterinarian about prevention.
The cost of treatment. Treatment, for instance, a heartworm case can cost thousands of dollars to treat.
So here's what can happen. Your dog can drink from a puddle just like that. Not only birds, but, well, squirrels, chipmunks, raccoons, even if you live in an urban area, city rats can be drinking from it. But also what goes in one end, you know, comes out the other end. And one of the parasites that dogs can get from such a puddle is called Giardia. Also called sometimes, because we can get Giardia too, Montezuma's revenge. And that's sure something you don't want your pet to get, according to parasitologist Dr. Dwight Bowman.
It'll be continuous and chronic, and then they're going to treat. The good thing about Giardia is when they do treat it and it does clear, and in dogs, unlike people, we have trouble getting it to clear. So in dogs, when it clears, it's wonderful because it's one of those things that you can make it go away, and then if the diarrhea goes away, you're lucky.
Giardia? Believe me, that's something you don't want your dog to have. You can learn more about Giardia and lots of other parasites at petsandparasites.org. Now you can have fun with your dog. Ethel, go get it.